Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making cottage pie. There can sometimes be a bit of a confusion with cottage pie and shepherd's pie. The only difference is the meat. Shepherd's pie is made using lamb and cottage pie is made using beef. Today we're making cottage pie. I will leave a list of all ingredients in the description bar below. To see how I make this cottage pie, keep on watching. I'll start cooking the potatoes by putting them in a large pot of cold water, adding a pinch of salt and a half a stick of butter. Bring to a boil so that it will be ready to mash when I'm done making the filling. In a large wok or frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add 1 medium onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, saute just until fragrant. To that I'm adding 2 pounds of ground beef, using a wooden spoon to break it apart. Keep frying on high heat until the meat is completely brown. Now that the meat is completely browned, I'm going to remove the excess fat by draining it in a colander, or you can use any pasta strainer. Return the meat to the frying pan on medium to high heat and start adding the remaining ingredients. First I'm adding 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon each of rosemary, thyme and oregano, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Next I'm adding 2 cups of peas and carrot, 1 10-ounce can of tomato puree, 1 cup of chicken stock. Mix that all together and allow to simmer on low heat until the liquid is reduced. Now that our filling is ready, we can go ahead and mash our potatoes. Now it's time to mash the potatoes. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half stick of salted butter, 2 egg yolks, and milk or cream as needed. Mash using a mixer or a potato masher until you have a creamy consistency. Now it's time to assemble the cottage pie. Spoon the meat filling in an oven-safe dish, filling about 2/3 of the way. Depending on how much meat or potato you like, you can do half meat and half potatoes. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of Parmesan cheese on top, using a fork to prick multiple holes on top. Place the cottage pie in a 400 degrees oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until it starts to brown on top. Once your cottage pie is ready, remove from the oven and allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. That will allow it to set before serving. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.